Hello, I'm Armoh, and I'm excited to share how data visualization is transforming water access for 28 million people in Maji Ndogo. Our analysis reveals a critical reality. 64% of Maji Ndogo's population lives in rural areas, where 12 million people depend on shared taps and wells. Meanwhile, urban residents are 3 times more likely to have water in their homes. But here's what's most striking. 69% of water collectors are women, and they face the longest queues on Fridays and Saturdays, waiting up to 246 minutes. This isn't just about water access, it's about safety and equality. Our crime data analysis shows that 64% of water collection related crimes target women, with peak incidents occurring at 10 p.m. on weekends. This data helped us understand that water access is fundamentally a women's safety issue. Using Power BI, we've mapped a $147 million improvement plan across 5 provinces. From installing 7,100 water filters to drilling new wells, we are tracking 25,398 individual improvements that will serve every community. The results speak for themselves. We've increased basic water access from 34% to 66% of the population, helping 18 million people while staying within budget. But most importantly, we are reducing the burden on women and children. This is more than data visualization. It's about using analytics to create equity, safety, and dignity for every person in Maji Ndogo. Thank you.